Dan migao mar omenda Mbadi uko kendo lero kaka bajet mar higa 2025-2026 nitiere kod ber mathoth kendo dhi kelo dongruok e thurka. Kowuok ndalo ariyo bang' som bajet e od bura mamalo, Mbadi okwedo weche maluorore e mbui mowacho ni bajet no geto omed osuru, kowacho ni parono lalo jopiny. Noyuoro e alam e kanisa mar SDA ma Lala e kar chung' od bura ma Mbadi town okwajo Kenya mondo mi orit kwe ka olero ni bajet no geto riwo ji duto kendo kelo dongruok mawinjore.
Wewe ambaye umeandaliwa kwa kazi.
Kenyans complained about high taxation, and therefore we were very cautious as a government to make sure that we don't introduce unreasonable taxes, high taxes which would again overburden Kenyans. That is why we have a modest finance bill with no tax raise. Let nobody cheat you, let nobody lie to you. There is no tax increase. What we have done is to streamline tax administration and tax management. The problem with Kenyans, sometimes we make noise that we are putting too much money, people are stealing that money, and when we start reducing the budget to reasonable amounts and put roadblock to theft of public funds, we start making noise. I heard people making noise that we have not provided enough money for school feeding program, and yet we have determined that there is a lot of wastage in that program. 3.6 billion, part of it is being wasted. So 3 billion is enough to feed our children in rural areas. We are trying to manage the budget. If you give too much budget, it is being wasted. So please don't allow those who have been benefiting from misuse of public resources, who are buying spaces, sending people in social media to attack the government for reducing their budget. We will continue cutting the budget in areas where there are wastages.